Hello and welcome everyone to this new video. In this video I want to show you how to use the Vlookup function. It is a very handy formula that will definitely benefit you and save you a lot of time when dealing with long lists. So let's get started. First I want to talk about when we can use the Vlookup function. The Vlookup function can be used when data is organized into columns. The function finds for a specific value the corresponding value of a specified column. This may sound hard at first, but I promise you it's very easy. Let me show you an example. Let's assume you have a list with 3 columns. Invoice number, client number, and the total amount ordered. It would take a lot of time to go through the list and find the corresponding amount to these 5 invoice numbers, especially when you have a very long list. The Vlookup function will save you a lot of time. So we start with typing Vlookup. And Excel is actually really helpful because it shows us what we have to enter. So the first thing is the lookup value, which in this case will be the invoice number. Then it asks for the lookup array or the table array. This is the area where you want to find the lookup value. So we go back to our order history and select the whole table. The next thing is the column index number. This is basically the number of the column that we want returned. So since we want to find the total amount ordered, we go back to our table array and count which column the total amount is. So we have 1, 2, 3. So all you have to enter is 3. The next thing is the range lookup. There are 2 options available, either true, which finds an approximate match, or false, which finds an exact match. For this example, all you need to know is that we want an exact match because we want to find an exact match for each invoice number. There are examples where the approximate match is used, but I'll save that for a different video. So we type in false, close the parentheses, and then we hit enter. And then we get the value of 8. So let's go back to our order history. It's 21, 2, 3. Just a quick check if everything worked. And you can see it returned the correct value. So before dragging the whole formula down, you have to remember that Excel drags down all references. So if we would drag down this formula into the next row, this value would change, but also this reference over here would change, and we don't want that because we want the table to be fixed. So we delete this, we go back to the first row, and then we make this an absolute reference, which means that even if we drag the formula down, this reference will not be changed. And how we do this is we use the $sign before and after the letter, type in enter, and then we pull the formula down one more time. Then just let's do a little check again. 2147, it's 15. 2147, and that's 15. And that's how you do a Vlookup function. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.